Hey, what's up everybody? Today I got a new toy and I can't wait to test it out. Stay tuned and I'll tell you what it is next. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the BBQ Test Pit. I'm Craig, and if this is your first time here, this is where we test barbecue rubs, sauces, seasonings, recipes, and grilling accessories. And today I got in a new Grillaholics grill brush that I ordered because I've been looking for something that is wireless and it's gonna be able to give me a good long reach to get into my new offset smoker. So I wanted something that I could use on all my grills, including my big green egg and everything. Like you can see, I haven't opened this. I haven't took it out of the package or anything yet, but we're gonna get to there and give it a test out on the offset. I haven't cleaned my grates since I got it, and I did about 6 cooks on it so far, and I can really scrub my egg grates too. The egg I'm leaving cold to see how this works on a cold grate, and the offset I have heated up because I'm gonna do a cook here in a little while anyways. So I figure if it gets into the round areas on a big green egg, it's gonna do well on your kettle grill, like your Weber kettle or your S&S grill. And it's a pretty straight brush, so it's gonna be fine on any kind of gas grill or Weber that's a rectangular top. It is pretty heavy duty. It has 6 metal strands going through it. Pretty heavy duty hook. This is getting annoying already though, just making this video, this bobbling around. But this is called Grillaholics Essentials Bristle-Free Grill Brush. 18-inch stainless steel, and they recommend that you dip this in water before you put it on the grates, probably for some steaming action. So I do have my bucket over there from my Grill Rescue brush that I've been using. I'm not sure I really like that at all. So let's get this opened up and see what we got. All right, so this has got a couple of those snaps on it. Never gonna put this back in here, so you probably don't have to worry about that. So you can see these are nice and tight. They're woven really good together. There's not too much flex or anything. I'm squeezing pretty hard. These wires are pretty strong and durable. It's got a nice shiny Grillaholics plate. Probably can use these as a bottle opener. Let's find out. So we got ourselves a Modelo. Works as a foil cutter. Not too much as a bottle opener. So I guess we ain't drinking this morning. So other than that, it's got a nice wooden handle. Like you can hear this thing flapping around everywhere, but you'll be able to hang it. And it's sturdy. I don't know how far. It's really sturdy, but I don't know how far these wires go up into the handle. I'm sure they don't go all the way up, but they probably go at least to this notch, I would assume. So far, this seems like a really good, durable, high quality brush, bristleless brush that we can apply some really good pressure on and really get it. It doesn't bend or do anything. So let's put it to the test and see how it works on the offset. So over here, here's my Grillinator bucket with water in it. The offset's fired up to 250, and you can see pretty grimy. In here, not too bad, but I have cooked a lot of pork, smoked all the sausage, and a couple briskets and some chicken breasts and stuff on here. So let's dip it in the water here. This is probably not hot enough smoker to do anything. It's not sizzling. it does go across these grates really nice and smooth, and I can easily reach the back here. So that's what I wanted. I didn't want to have to stick my head too far in there to get any of the stuff off. Some more water. Let's see if the scraper that glides nice and smoothly across, so not here on the edges where the two grates meet, but these little hooks can dig down in there if you're worried about that shit. I'm not. I'm just gonna do the top surface area. And we'll re-dip. Did collect a lot of gunk. And just, this does go real smooth across here. So I do like how this works so far. It is removing a lot of the food and stuff off of here and grease. And so I'm happy with that on the offset. Close this up and get the smoke out of my eyes. We got it done on the offset. Now let's go over to the big green egg. So like I said, this isn't heated up. It's not really too dirty. Plate setter is more dirty than the grill itself, but there is some gunk on there. So I'm just see how good it gets in between. Let's see how good it gets in between the grates here. And yeah, it's removing everything that was on the grates. It actually works better if you hold it up at more of an angle so that all three of your bristles are on the grill. And I'm barely pushing any pressure. And my grates are clean. So this little angle still gonna go in there nicely and scrape off all that gunk, and so I like that. And then the sides, let's see how the sides work. The sides also have brushes. And again, there's no flexibility, no bending or anything with this. So again, there was no flexibility really or bending in this brush. It's nice and sturdy. Clean off all that goop that's from using the scraper edge. Still stayed nice and shiny. The bristles are all intact. Nothing came loose on the first use, which is a good sign. Yeah, I like this brush. I think for, I don't remember what I paid for it, $20 or 29 bucks or something. But over all the other ones that I've looked into, this seems to be the most durable looking and best value for the price. I'll put a link in the description for this, but yeah, it's nice and sturdy, it's durable, it's done what it's supposed to do. If you're looking for a good wireless grill brush that still has the metal, whatever you call these, spirals or swirls, but no wires so you don't get them stuck in your throat or whatever. I've been using wireless grill brush for years. I've never had that happen, but I guess it's a thing. So wireless grill brush, Grillaholics, 18-inch. around 30 bucks or less. Highly recommend it. Link in the description. If you like the content I'm putting out, please help the channel out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.